So I know I'm recording now, and here I am with Invent or Don't Invent on Facebook. And I'm sorry I took so long to speak, but I came up with an idea, and I thought, what if there was a thing that allowed people to launch a rocket, then that rocket would explode, um, or release an actual kite. And I'm not talking about one of these things like a blimp type of thing or net. I'm talking about something like this, but on a small scale. Then, like something like this, then it will be a regular kite. So it will be like a kite. Okay, kite like flying, flying kite. So so it would be a flying kite, but the rocket would lift it up. So the rocket would be operated like this, and then in areas where there's no wind, it would be very hard for the kite to even be flown. It would have to be windy. But I guess this contradicts my idea because if it's not windy, then my idea won't work. With the kite idea here, it has to be windy for it to work. But I don't know. I guess even if it is, say let's just say it's windy, not windy. If it's not windy, then you probably can't do this. So it has to be windy. So if it's windy, I don't know how difficult it is to, get one of these things going. I don't know if it's difficult at all or not. I was thinking it would be cool to do something like a SpaceX rocket enlargement. So here we have the SpaceX, and then there's different diagrams of that, and I guess what I'm trying to say is that the kite will be in around it or something, and then it will come out and expand. So if it was bubbled up, crushed, or just compressed in the rocket, then when it explodes, if it has some type of memory wires or something to, uh, what are they, like springs or something to allow it to sprout out and be converted into something that you could fly, then it would be fun and cool, and at the same time, it will give people more creative ideas to come up with more um, creative ideas for the future. And I guess even when honestly see something like this where they just throw it out, but I was thinking like, well, I seen this one right here, but this that won't really glide. I mean, it will come down, but it won't fly. So if it can be designed in such a way where it could fly with the wind, then that would be super super cool to be able to do that. But yeah. Anyways, I just thought that was a good idea, and I'll talk, and yeah, that's it basically. God bless everyone.